Now the question number 4 is the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. It says find the ratio of their surface areas. So first of all, let us suppose if I'm just talking about the diameter of the earth, the solution for this one would be like let the diameter of earth be d. Let us suppose if I'm just taking the diameter of the earth as d. So according to the question, it says the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So it means that if I'm just taking the diameter of the earth as d, so this should be nothing but is equal to d by 4. This should be nothing but is equal to d by 4. Now let's just talk about their radius. So it implies the radius of earth is nothing but half of that of the diameter, and furthermore the radius of moon would be is equal to d by 4 and half of it. So this would be d by 8. This is the radius, and furthermore we just have to find out the ratio of their surface areas. Means we are talking about the surface area of moon divided by the ratio of the surface area of earth. Since both of these are actually nothing but a 3-dimensional figure and they are representing this sphere, so this should be nothing but is equal to, we know that the surface area of the moon is nothing but 4 pi r square. Let us suppose if I'm just taking the radius of the earth, let if the radius of earth and moon be r1 comma r2. So basically this is nothing but my r1 and this is nothing but my r2. So first of all, we are just talking about the surface area of the moon. So for the moon we have just suppose the radius as nothing but r2. So this would be 4 pi r2 whole square divided by 4 pi r1 whole square. Now we can see over here that we have the two common values in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Let's just sort them out and we are getting r2 square by r1 square. Now let's just plug in the value of r2. R2 is nothing but d by 8 whole square and this is nothing but d by 2 whole square. So this would be nothing but d square by 64 into d square into 4. D square and d square get cancelled with each other, 4 into 1, and this is nothing but 16. So at the end we are getting the ratio as nothing but 1 by 16. So it implies that the ratio of their surface areas is nothing but 1:16. It is 1:16, and this is nothing but our answer. This is exactly what we have to find out in this particular question. So the ratio of their surface areas is nothing but 1:16.